Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And today we're watching the Neon Common Part 2. The Neon Cat Part 2 actually. So let's watch this. Wow, I like it. Hey, I knew it. Hey Spike, can we go to the kitchen? I'm a little thirsty. Sure, let's go. Oh, she's drinking some water. Hey Kitty Rainbow, and I wanted to say sorry. Yeah, we are really sorry, Kitty. Oh, really? Yes. Kitty, are you serious? They are lying. I don't know if they're saying really sorry. I think they're lying, actually. Spike is right. Let's watch. Commons, I think they really are sorry. They are not. You're right, Spike. They are. They are not. You know what? I think you should be more kind towards Rainbow and Mocha, Spike. Okay, fine. Go ahead and forgive them. I can only say how much you are going to regret it. Okay. Whatever. Well, I forgive you guys. Great, actually. Rainbow and I were going to bungee jump. Bungee or bung jump? I don't know. Today, wanna come with us? Sure, let's go. Oh no, oh no, oh no. They're definitely gonna push her. Kitty. I'll pay the ticket. Woo. Oh, they're flying. That's cool. Next stop, Sky Castle. Okay, so they're almost here. Okay. Ooh, look at all those potions, I think. Yup. Oh yeah, right. Let's go. Phew, this is very high. But it's going to be fun. Right, Mocha? Kitty, I'll help you getting ready already. All right, of course. Makes a lost knot around her waist. All done. Great, then I guess, yeah, I can push you if you are scared to. Oh man, why would you be rude, Rainbow? She's just a cat. No, even though she's not special, cats are special. Even though they're common, they're just pets and they're cute. You don't have to be rude and do something to her. Thanks. Bye, kitty cat. Oh no. Wait, what? Pushes her. Oh no, she fell. Hey, Rainbow. Oh, yeah, of course. You dummy, who can survive that? She's rude. Now let's scram before someone sees us. Oh no. Hey Spike, where's Kitty? She was with Rainbow and Mocha. Haven't seen. Oh, we're back. Oh no. Yep. Wait, where's Kitty? Yeah, where's Kitty? Oh, well, she told us we could go home and she would come a bit later. Oh, no. But it's getting late and it's dark. I hope she's home soon. Oh, no, she's sad. Where is she? Oh no, she's crying. Kitty, where are you? Oh my god, they're so mean. Why would you do that? Hey, you. No, sorry, ma'am. Kitty wakes up. Where am I? Hi there. Ah, who are you? I'm Flash. Nice to meet you. My friend saved you when you fell. Honey, the cat is awake. Okay. Thank good you are alive. I saw you falling when I flew by. I catched you before you hit the ground. I'm Honey, and you are? I'm Kitty. Thank you guys so much for saving me. Okay. Well, next time, when you're going to jump, check if your rope is right around your waist. Let's see. Okay. Okay. It wasn't my fault. Then whose fault it is? It was Rainbow and Mocha. Oh, Rainbow and Mocha. We have to do something. We have to stop them. Yeah. But how? I don't know how. I did everything I could. Oh. Kitty, where are you? Mom, don't you see it? I am 100% sure Rainbow and Mocha did something to her. Let me see. You think so? I think. Okay, I'm asking them. Rainbow, Mocha, where's Kitty? We don't know, and neither do we care. That's it. I'm tired of you guys being mean to Kitty. Enough. Oh, what's she gonna do? You guys are grounded and in big problems. Now excuse me and Spike, because we are going to find Kitty. Come on, boy. Oh, she's riding him. Go to the playground. Kitty! Wait. Hear what? It's my mom's voice. Quick, let's go down. Kitty! Mom! OMG, where have you been? I'll tell you all when we're home. Oh, wait, is that Spike? Spike, I'm so sorry I had to listen to you. It's okay, Kitty. I'm glad you're with us and safe. Okay. So Mocha and Rainbow invited me to go bungee jumping, but they didn't tie the rope tight on my waist. On what purpose? But Honey and Flash saved me. Oh, yay. Thank you, guys. I can offer you guys a home with me, Spike and Kitty. So what do you would be? So awesome. Thank you so much. What about Mocha and Rainbow? I wasn't allowed to keep them because they tried to take you down. They are at a mental hospital right now. Oh? Come guys, I'll make dinner, I think. Thank you guys for the 900 subscribe. subscribers. Oh, the cat is dancing. The cat is so cute. Oh, congrats. Oh, I think this is the winner. Oh, alright guys. Well, I mean, that was cool. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe in my video. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!